I went 3 weeks without scrolling Instagram, and trust me, guys, that is the best thing I did to myself.
Okay. Hi, everybody. So, I did a thing. I logged out of my Instagram for like 3 weeks straight. It went up to 3 weeks. It lasted, I would say. And even now, I'm not addicted to it. I can literally like switch, say, just go back without scrolling any app. And honestly, just how I did it, one random Sunday, better, I just logged out of my Instagram. And फिर उसके बाद what all happened to me, I just want to take you guys through it and share my honest experience with it. And कोई भी challenge आप लेते हो ना, I think it's very necessary that you literally journal your own experience rather than take it from somebody else. But these are the changes that I experienced, and I hope if you do it, eventually you will notice too. So, yeah, let me just take you through it. So, सबसे पहले क्या हो गया? When I gave up Instagram scrolling, I was just reaching out for my phone continuously. And I used to just reach out to my phone and open up different apps. That's when I realized that there's much more than Instagram. And fortunately, unfortunately, I got used to Pinterest, but only the useful stuff I used to save, जो मुझे मेरे लिए future में काम आएगा, or the content, the post that I think is literally useful for me, I started saving that up. Now, secondly, मैं फ़ोन इतना रीच आउट करने लग गई थी अननेसेसरली, इवन दो आई न्यू कि अभी उसमें कुछ है नहीं, बट it's just a habit. I don't know, your body and your mind and your brains and the chemicals and everything just takes time to process a lot of stuff is what I feel at this point. And वैसे वो सब होता था. मैं गैलरी में जाती थी एंड आई यूज टू जस्ट चेक रैंडम इमेजेस ऑफ माई सेल्फ, वो 20-25 images, and I knew that this is this is not normal. Okay, this is something I'm doing, but I have no reason why I'm doing. And I used to reach for like certain photographs, zoom out, zoom in, and यही चलता था. जिम में खाली बैठी हूँ, phone scroll कर रही हूँ. I used to reach in either it would be Pinterest or gallery, but Pinterest is only something that it just images, and it just helps you sometimes to take a certain inspo and you could save it, whether it may be आपको कुछ post करना है, future references, some good quotes, affirmations, and stuff like that. So I think Pinterest scrolling is not bad after all. Ab, next what happened was, रात में I was literally sleeping in peace. There was no heavy mind at the end of the day. There was no consumption of people's lives. There was nobody, like literally I had nothing to think of. पहले एक दो तीन चार पाँच दिन I was like कुछ काम ही नहीं है मेरे दिमाग को. Honestly, there was no heavy pressure, load, nothing. And मैं सोचती थी कि अब मैं क्या करूँ, and then I realized that I am sleeping without worrying, much less anxious. वो तो छूट ही गया. I was carefree, I was thought free at the end of the day, and I think that was a very beautiful thing to experience. Because ये phone जो चीज़ है ना, and Instagram, I swear it has become a part of our daily lives. No matter what you say, what you do, इतना हम इतने हैबिचुएटेड है, इतना हैबिचुअल हो चुके हैं कि वी कैन नॉट गो अ डे विदाउट जस्ट हैविंग दोज 2 seconds of dopamine shots. I read neuro habits, I read few things about neuroplasticity, and tab I realized that there are so many attention seekers since the day we just open our eyes. सारी चीज़ें बस हमारा attention लेने में इतना busy होती है. They're just trying to take, like, suck out the attention or the energy that we have, a limited set of energy that we are blessed for a day. They're just so keen on taking all that energy from us, and हम देते रहते हैं. बट वो कुछ अच्छी चीज़ों में अगर इन्वेस्ट हो, then it's like very useful. Otherwise, it's just you are being drained for no good reason. Most important stuff that I realized is whatever we are consuming online, I mean, it's such a waste to consume somebody else's lives. बहुत मुझे तो बहुत जान पे आता है अभी कि why do I feel a need that I need to consume somebody else's life? Why do I have to know what they are doing and how are they living? And I have literally given this up, and trust me guys, इतना खाली दिमाग रहता है ना, इतना अच्छा फील होता है ना, you feel so light weight. like your heart is light, your mind is light, you have so light thoughts. It's just so beautiful to experience it. And सबसे important what I experienced was कि this is a thing, okay, this is really a thing. Once you are free to do whatsoever you want, you realize how bored you are. And जो वो bored feeling आपको आती है, and that phase is whatever you do in that खाली समय में, that is the exact thing that is going to reflect if you will be making wiser choices in the future or you're going to doom yourself. बाय दैट मीन्स अगर आपके पास खाली वक्त है तो खाली वक्त इंसान को अच्छा लगता ही नहीं है. तो इधर दे व्हाट दे डू इज दे गो पार्टिंग. आई एम नॉट सेइंग पार्टिंग इज बैड, बट you know it's just some negatives that I want to put forth. They either go partying, they either go clubbing to consume alcohol. I mean, once in a while, whatever suits you for fun is fine. But then, wo khali waqt mein kuch log, they just drink, they use toxic stuff. But I mean, there are ways of dealing with the free time, and people do, and literally, they consume such stuff which is literally going to doom them. And there are some people जो खाली वक्त में either they sleep, they rest, they meditate, or make good and wise use of the time and shape the future. And these habits literally determine your future is what I learned. And trust me guys, सबसे हैंडल नहीं होता है ये. What I am telling you is जो खाली वक्त आपको literally, अब आप देखो, okay, for example, every day since you have gotten up and till the time you're about to lay down to go back to sleep, there are so many things that you do. उसमें से सबसे important is your phone, that rectangular device that you use, and you log into it on a social networking site, any social networking site that you do or you consume on daily basis, and you go through the rabbit hole down there and do whatnot stuff, and then you're just energized in a certain way. I find it very evil way right now. You just don't want to consume it anymore, but फिर भी algorithm is such a bitch कि एक बार तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे दिखा देगा at certain point of the time a day कि it will take you back to somebody else's life, and then again somebody else's life and else's life, and it's whole together a loop where you're stuck in. And when you finally are like exhausted mentally and physically, you give up on to examining or circling around somebody else's life, and then you are like off to bed with those thoughts, putting it into your subconscious mind. And I cannot tell you, like, literally, the cycle is so toxic to yourself, and you keep on doing it, keep on doing it, keep on doing it, which usually, like, results into a habit that you have acquired unconsciously, and subconsciously, it makes you that person. अब बात तो ये है कि when I gave up onto scrolling, this is मैं उसके आगे बढ़ चुकी हूँ. People say you have a lot of free time. I'm not saying you have a lot of free time. It's actually you are so in the flow state, I would say in the present condition or in the present state, that you feel you have a lot of time. But the truth is, you are literally empty, and empty on thinking, I would say thinking levels, and something you could put and literally build on building levels. You are very free. But what people do is they think that that is boring because you're so used to being occupied mentally that you feel that not being occupied is a curse. And it's such a boring state and you don't want to experience it. So either you like pull out some excuses, make up some plans, and you want to just stay in a loop where you're just seeking dopamine. I mean, those dopamine 2 second dopamine shots is some different theory. And this, you don't want to just stay normal. Like हम बचपन में हमारे पास फ़ोन नहीं था तो we had normal lives. I mean by normal, those were the little luxuries that we literally used to enjoy. We used to feel so good. एक अलग फील था यार. Like can you imagine, like just wonder how were you, just recall, like जब आप छोटे थे आप कैसे थे और अब आप कैसे हो. आप नॉर्मल नहीं हो सकते हो बिकॉज in free time we used to play, we used to chase real dopamine, we used to have real bonds, we used to have real connections, we used to literally be free from the mental cage. We used to be so empty. I mean, we used to be literally just be happy without worrying about anybody else. And thus, we had a very good and fruitful childhood. But as we grew up, right now, we are constantly thinking about something that we saw, something that we consumed, something that we absorbed, something somebody said. We are constantly being bothered. And I think being bothered is not something we should be doing. I mean, of the social networking sites, you will feel literally very, very less stressful. And after a certain while, you would literally not be bothered. You won't be bothered to feel anything. Trust me on this. I literally feel that the best thing I did to myself was literally quit logging out of Instagram and only coming in when I feel like I have to consume a bit of funny content, animal stuff, funny clips and stuff like that. That's all. My algorithm, I mean, it's not just set, but I know algorithm is a bitch. कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ मुझे ऐसे दिखाएगा कि I will end up in a loophole, but I am being very careful. And trust me, वो सबसे बढ़िया बात होगी कि आप literally कंट्रोल कर रहे हो सारी चीज़ें. And I mean, that is controllable, but we have given Instagram, I mean, our mobile phones that much of authority over us कि वो हमें कंट्रोल करता है, हम उसे नहीं. And then I want to, I mean, if you would literally observe, सारे लोग इर्द गिर्द मेरे मैं देखती हूँ ना, they are in loop. And जो लोग loop में नहीं है, out of the phone, trust me, they are on to very different frequency, they're doing lot of good things. And जो loop में है, they're just stuck. And they're just stuck. It's like a stimulation that has literally forced you or gulped you inside, and there's nothing you can do because आपका आपके माइंड के ऊपर कंट्रोल ही नहीं है. One thing that controls you is your phone. So I did the reverse of it. पहले तो like I swear I was just reaching for my phone, like I told you I was just reaching out for my phone. मैं apps देखती थी, कहाँ जाऊँ मैं अभी. I ended up on Pinterest, as I told you. अब बात ये हो गई ना कि I ended up on Pinterest, but then that was not bad, okay? It's literally photos, and I would like to consume that content, and I saved a lot of stuff. As I told you, I saved a lot of good stuff for myself on my profile. Ab next, what happened was, at the end of the day, I used to scroll something, I used to see, and I used to sleep. That stopped, and trust me, I was having such beautiful deep sleep at night. I could sense it. I used to wake up energetically fresh because the first thing I would do was just wake up, brush my teeth like we used to do when we were kids, and not reach out for phones or consume anything at all. Ab I like I told you, I was reaching out. I was going in, visiting my photos. I was just zooming in, zooming out, and I was just doing that for a couple of days. And उसके बाद वो भी बंद हो गया. तो मेरा फ़ोन पड़ा रहता था घर में. I didn't even reach out for my phone. किसी का पापा चिल्लाते थे कि I called you, just why are you not receiving your phone? What's the purpose of your phone? My brother used to yell at me. But little did I care to explain it. I was like, I was enjoying this phase. It's okay. If it's important, just tell me. Reach out to me through my mom or somebody else. But then that is fine. I don't want to be bothered by that rectangular box. And I was very happy without it, is what I experienced. My life was literally very thought free and very less concerned about what's happening. एंड मैं खुद के ऊपर फोकस कर पा रही थी. मैं अच्छे से सो रही थी, मैं अच्छे से उठ रही थी. मैं खाना खाते वक्त 8 of the 10 times I used to be on my phone, consuming, constantly scrolling something and eating my food. Now I don't do that. Yeah, I do like 2%, but wo bhi I watch something on my iPad. That's it. But consuming something light-hearted, like I watch Doomies right now, which is on Hotstar, I think I'm enjoying it and I'm fine by it. I don't feel the need or the urge to see, or and this one thing that people have an image to uphold. Bro, I literally don't understand that term. How people are still stuck there on this fake social world, but trust me, once you literally break on all the cycles that are happening in the society, um, in relevance to social networking and phone and all that stuff that is very common right now, and everybody is literally gulped into it. Trust me, you just put on that filter where you can literally filter out a lot of stuff that is happening around you. And trust me, you're so at peace, so carefree, very unbothered. And that is, I think, the best thing you could do to yourself. I became much more calmer, lighter, and I was, that that piece of social media just puts you into a constant state of competition and comparison. That is like completely reduced. I mean, I would say gone. I would not say reduced. मेरा सब चला गया है. And one more thing. When I logged back in, ऐसे कई बार हुआ, I felt it कि this reel scrolling is really very boring. मुझसे नहीं देखे जा रहे थे complete reels. I felt it very boring. मुझे तो कोई किसी की लाइफ में इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं रहा. मुझे देखना भी नहीं है मेरे फीड पे किसी को, ना मुझे कुछ. आई डोंट वांट टू एक्सप्लोर एनीथिंग एट ऑल. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तो फ़नी कंटेंट विच आई कंज्यूम, डॉग funny clips and animals and such beautiful content, that is fine for me, and I do consume that even today, I'm not denying. But ऐसे हो गया कि when I logged back in, I didn't have the urge or energy to, मुझे वो भी बोर होने लग गया, तो I used to just log out again. And what I like noticed naturally कि when I logged in and I started scrolling again, okay, I started becoming nervous again. I started feeling anxious again. And I realized, bro, this is happening because I just logged in. And the state without being logged into any social networking site is such great state. Like it is it's such a good feeling. Trust me, you have to try it by yourself, because not everything can be literally put into words. Sometimes you have to experience certain things, and don't do it because everybody is doing it. Okay, do it because you want to experience what it would bring up. It would bring for you, what it has in the store for you. Just do it for that self. Now, one more thing that I realized is how people talk about all the things that are happening everywhere. How people talk about the things that are happening already or are taken much by the hype, and I'm there just least bothered. I love that cold self of mine. I don't give one single damn about anything that is happening. And I was like, I'm not bothered. I'm not even that person that wants to ask he, what is the stuff? What is the issue? Spill the tea. No, it's gone. And much more important, what I love to do is come across some food on tasty dishes on Instagram, and I try to save it and then I make it. So for me, I am putting that app for my use, and I literally want to do so. I don't want to be a person that just ends up consuming and consuming and consuming without being very like, I just cannot see myself. This is such a stupid thing to do to yourself, to just open the app, scroll, 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 consume, consume. Be a robot that is just, in the loop, is highly stimulated, just chasing the fake dopamine, destroying every single thing, and not putting up myself for anything out in the real world. Everybody's giving the same. They are mentally imprisoned. Why don't you try being mentally free? Dekho, I'm sleeping nice. I'm waking up nice. I feel energetic. I'm not at all anxious. I am very lighter on the thoughts. I am living. I am free. I'm not burdened. I'm not living stressful. I am very positive, happy, full of energy. And जैसे हम बचपन में थे, so instead of just doing it for the sake of doing up a challenge or taking up a challenge or doing it for the sake of hype, I request you guys to literally try it for yourself, because you never know. अब मैं कुछ stages से आगे आ चुकी हूँ. Maybe I won't feel those things which you would feel. If you are lagging or if you are much ahead of me, the experience would be totally different. So guys, this is a very huge topic if I go into deeper levels. But what I felt is totally reflecting on me. So why don't you guys try it out? Like whatever you do, इससे तो कुछ लॉस होगा नहीं. सो आप ये करोगे तो 101% you'll be profitable in some way or the other. And your experience would be your personal beauty in experiencing something personal. And you could just take it up as a sign, क्योंकि सब सब कर रहे हैं यार, जो सभी स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं, सभी कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, आप कुछ अलग करके देखो, is what I meant. Okay, I'll see you next time. I hope you find this useful. Okay, Go subscribe, like, and share. I'll come back with another such topic which I personally believe by or stand by or I think would be useful for you guys. All right. Till then, take care. Bye bye.